In this video, I'm gonna show you how to listen to music at 43280 on Spotify. It is very quickly and very easy. First of all, I will point out that I'm using the process on Android, but you can do this exact process on your iPhone or your computer too. The first thing you need to do is log in Spotify and log into your account. After doing that, you will see three buttons right here, but you need to click on the middle button, search. Then you will see this bar to search what you want to listen. So click on the bar. And after you do that, just type 43280. Okay? You will see several playlists. If you want to listen a playlist, that's it. It's already here. If you want to play a song, just a song, you click on songs and you select this song that you want to play 43280. Okay? So just select the song or the playlist and you are already listening to 43280, okay? I hope I help you how to listen to music at 43280 on Spotify. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.